Hello guys, we're going to make soft mandazi. So I have flour here. This is like 600 grams. I'm going to add baking powder. I'll measure 2 tablespoons because the ratio should be like 100 grams is to a teaspoon, 1 teaspoon. So I'll do like 2 tablespoons. I'll mix my dry ingredients first very well. So I'm going to add sugar. I do not like too much sugar on my mandazi, so I'll do 3 tablespoons. No, let me do 4. I do not like too much sugar on my mandazis, but here you can add sugar as much as you want, how you want them to taste. I'll now add my margarine, 1 tablespoon, 1 big tablespoon. Then I'll rub it in like so. My blue band sugar, baking powder and flour are now well mixed. I'm now going to add my wet ingredients, my mayai and milk. So I have an egg here and I have a cup of milk. I do not like too much egg in my mandazi, so I'll just use 1 egg. I'll mix the egg with the milk. Then I'll mix them together. Then I'll add them to my flour. Easier to move in this direction, the circular direction, first when you add, so that it mixes well. And I'm using a spoon, then I'll use my hands later when the dough is now mixed well, just to make sure it's very soft and well done. I'll now use my hands. My dough is ready. It's ready. I'll now cover it and leave it for 30 minutes so that the baking powder can react with the flour. I'll use a plate. You can use a foil, you can use a polythene bag, but I'll use a plate. The plate covers tightly so there is no air that will go through. So I'll leave it for 30 minutes. Our dough is ready. This is like 30 minutes later or more, like 35 minutes or 40 later. So our dough is now ready. Sprinkle or sprinkle a little flour. We will spread the whole dough together. There we are. Not too thin and not too thick, because I do not want mandazis that have so much flesh inside. So I'm using a knife. So I do not want too small and I'll not do too big, just a good size. Then I'll slice them that way. So my pieces are here. Now I'll get my oil ready. I now have my oil and so I'll wait for the oil to heat, then I'll start dipping my mandazi pole pole, one by one. Want to taste? There's still space, I can add some more. Another one here. So when they are brown, when they have the golden brown, that's when you want to remove them. So I keep turning to ensure they don't burn. And make sure you're also careful, you don't splash yourself with oil. So I'll remove one by one. Just check if the other side is brown enough. And I'll remove. So I'll be placing it in my plate. That way. Very nice color. Make sure you don't overcook the mandazis. Make sure your oil is heated to the right temperature, not too hot, not hot, not cold, because you don't get this result. So these are my mandazis. I sprinkled some maize flour on top. That is why you can see the whitish when I was rolling, just to give them that look, the beautiful look you can see. I'm doing my next pieces slowly. Make sure you slide slowly, one by one, slowly. So I'll turn this first. I don't want this to, that is why I'm turning before they break, before they burst. So I turn them. So when they rise enough, I turn like this one. I have to turn before it breaks. This one as well. I have some space. I'm gonna add 2 more. Make sure you're very careful. I'll wait for them to golden. This is the final product. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you.